In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to TrustWallet. First, make sure you have both the TrustWallet app and the KuCoin app or website ready and confirm you have the exact token you want to move. Network fees and minimum withdrawal amounts can apply, so it helps to know those before you begin. Start in TrustWallet. Open the app and tap Receive. This is where you'll generate the destination details for your funds. Search for and select the specific cryptocurrency you plan to transfer. Many assets exist on multiple networks, so take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct version. For example, a token might exist on Ethereum and on another chain, but the address will be different for each network. On the Assets Received screen, either copy the address or use the QR code. Copying is usually best to avoid typos. After you copy it, quickly check the first and last few characters so you'll recognize it when you paste it later. Never type a wallet address by hand, and never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Only the receive address is needed here. Now switch to KuCoin, log in, then go to Assets so you can access your balances, choose Withdraw, and select the same cryptocurrency you just chose in Trust Wallet. It's critical that the asset and network match exactly. Sending to the wrong network can result in a permanent loss. If the token requires an extra memo or tag, KuCoin will prompt you. Make sure it matches what your wallet expects. Paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet into the withdrawal address field. Many times, KuCoin will auto-detect the network from the address, but don't rely on that alone. Verify the network manually as well. If anything looks off, stop and recheck the Assets Received screen in Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. KuCoin will display the network fee and the final amount you'll receive after fees. Confirm that the amount meets any minimum withdrawal requirement and that you're comfortable with the fee and the net amount shown. When you're ready, click Withdraw and complete the required security verification on KuCoin. This may include codes and other verification prompts to confirm it's really you. Once submitted, your withdrawal will process on the blockchain. Transfer times vary by network and congestion, so be patient. You can track status in KuCoin's withdrawal history, and you'll see the incoming transaction appear in Trust Wallet once it confirms. That's it. Your crypto is now on its way from KuCoin to Trust Wallet. Always double check the asset, the network, and the address, and you'll transfer with confidence.